Ready.
Stand by. Sir. 529. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. And holster. 529.
Trigger freeze.
So, Chase.
Sir.
You shot the same raw time as before, but you got a .2, so your got worse. But Chase,
Outstanding.
why did you shoot the exact same time as before? Or did you do exactly the same that you wanted to change?
I shot the targets in the wrong order, and I had processing issues.
Yeah.
So yeah, I delayed my
Shot
trigger.
3.
Yep.
Right? If we didn't shoot
bro.
3 first, it would have been much quicker. All
Yep.
right. Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Plane 177. Oh, yeah.